Everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. I don't know if I'm here or if I'm not, but hello everybody. It's Chantel with Telly's Talkin' Chuck. I'm a Chuck tour designer. Like and follow the business page. Say hello when you're jumping on. You can also check out my VIP group, Telly's Talkin' Chuck VIP. Right now, we are going to unbox what I got in my last shipment. It got delivered yesterday, but not to me, so that was great. We aren't going to be doing a project today. We will start doing all of these projects on Monday. So please come back. That's why you need to like and follow the business page so that you will know when I am live. Let me actually, oh jeez, I gotta make everything. Sorry for all of the crazy that's about to happen. Right. Make sure I can see everything. There we go. Try not to get my fingers. Alright. So, this back a little bit just because it's huge. Oh, you got it. Alrighty. Just bring all these to the side for a second. Grab my surfaces that I got. Alright. So, we have new simple shapes for autumn. We have our leaves. Kind of want to go the same thing every time. This could get tricky. So our leaves are on this transfer. I'm gonna make a mess. I'm just warning you. Then we have our I'll Be Home for Christmas, Be Merry, Cheer, and Peace for our Christmas tree. So in the comments when you see this, let me know what you think we should do first. We have our, what is this one actually called? I know there's an actual name for this. A Little Sass. So we have our minis, our little 3x3s. They are so cute and really affordable if you want to do those up. I can make little kits for that. Yeah, they're, I literally told you, but they're super small. You tried to tell me that I already have them. Then I have our cutouts that are for Halloween. So we have new pumpkins. You can actually just talk. I talk to you like you're here anyway. But that is our, hey Christina, that is our pumpkins. And our pumpkin is a pumpkin. Shh, it's a pumpkin. And then we have our round. We got a round back, and I'm so happy because I've missed these. although these are only 16 inch and not 18 inch, it'll work still with our Hello Fall, Hello Winter, Hello Spring, whatever else we've got going for the circles. And then I had to get this one because I need this on a t-shirt. Underestimate me, that'll be fun. Alright, so we're going to go backwards now because people are jumping on. Yeah, I knew that was going to happen. One day soon. One day. Alright, so we got the underestimate me. That'll be fun. We have our round. We have our pumpkins with our new pumpkin transfer. Our little 3x3s with a little sass. Then we have our Christmas tree with the I'll be home for Christmas, be merry, cheer, and peace. Oh, I'm pretty sure she's not fake, so I don't know if that woman knows how to be fake. And then we have our new cutouts that are our leaves. That's the transfer for it. And then this is our cutouts. So in the comments, let me know which ones we want to start with first on Monday. Knew I had a cutout in there. Trying to put all my things together here. So let me know. And I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.